Beets are consumed around the world and added to a number of recipes for their distinct taste. They are also popular among health-conscious individuals since they are packed with important nutrients and have medicinal properties when consumed consistently. Beets can also promote our overall health in a number of unique and different ways. Let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming beets consistently. First, beets are loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. They are an excellent source of potassium, folate, vitamin C, manganese, magnesium, and iron. Beets also contain dietary fiber, with a 100 gram serving of beets containing about 2 grams of fiber. Beets are also low in calories and contain many antioxidant compounds. Beets are also incredibly heart healthy and can promote the overall health of our heart a number of different ways. The fiber found in beets can help to reduce both cholesterol and triglyceride levels, while also increasing good HDL cholesterol in the body. Beets also contain a unique and powerful compound known as betaine, which can help improve blood vessel health by lowering levels of homocysteine. This allows beets to reduce the risk of heart-related conditions, such as heart disease and atherosclerosis. Beets are also great for reducing inflammation throughout the entire body, including chronic inflammation. This is largely attributed to the compound betaine, which contain a number of powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Beets are also high in antioxidant compounds, such as beta-carotene, which can help to reduce free radicals in the body and lower the risk of oxidative stress and some diseases. They can also help to improve digestive health and the overall health of our digestive system. This is because beets are an excellent source of dietary fiber. This healthy fiber found in beets works as a food source to healthy bacteria found in the gut, while also adding bulk. This allows beets to promote our overall digestive health, while also helping to keep us regular and prevent unwanted digestive conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease and constipation. Lastly, beets may also be able to help support overall brain health and cognitive function. This is due to the nitrates found in beets, which promote blood flow to the brain. Beets also help to promote the dilation of our blood vessels. This can help improve brain function, reaction time, and also help reduce the risk of some cognitive diseases, such as dementia. Always discuss with your medical practitioner for further treatment and prevention methods related to cognitive function. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.